Hey, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. I'm here for your work in to work out. So I'm going to come into hands and knees, 1 foot back. So in essence, we're in half plank here. Hands are firmly planted and spread wide. There's pressure through the middle knuckle space of the hands. The hips are more or less parallel to the floor. On the inhale, we're shifting forward. And on the exhale, we're shifting back. You decide how far you're going to shift forward, whatever feels comfortable today, and then on the breath out, shifting back. So seeing if you can match your movement to your breath. And as you slip back the next time, pausing into the heel, shoulders are still broad, jaws relaxed, and there's still a steady breath. Of course, coming back to center, shaking out the wrists if you need to, and heading to the other side. So an inhale, or maybe this time you try an exhale forward and an inhale back. And see which one feels more natural, more nourishing. And if it doesn't feel good that way, go back to whatever felt more nourishing. Good, holding back, shoulders are broad, jaws relaxed, middle knuckle space of the hands, taking your weight. Great. And then resting. All right, that's your work in to get your work out. See you next time.